welcome back you all. What's up, what's up? I am back to do a review on this bob that I received from ATOZ Wigs. It is not a whole 360 unit. It has a small piece here on the front for your lace to lay across your forehead. So you see me just showing you the different combs. You have two combs in the front, one in the nape area. The unit is a breathable cap, and it's not a full lace wig as I said before. It's a short bob. So here what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to prep the bob. I'm gonna put some powder on it to try to make the lace look realistic a little bit. And as you can see, I've already applied the powder, so it looks pretty good there for me. I like that color. Looks more like a real scalp. I'm just gonna comb through the hair. As you see on the sides, there is no lace. Here I'm putting some mousse just to kind of pull the hair back, comb the hair back, and hold it down and to tame it. And I'm going to flat iron it now. As you see what I've done, I'm just flat ironing it a little bit, so because I can't see in the back. Now what you see me doing here is getting ready to cut the little lace that's there. Like I said, there's not much lace. It's probably not even 3.5 inches wide lace for the front. It just no lace is all around this unit at all. So this is just a little bit of a lace here, and I'm just cutting it off with my shears and taping, just cutting off excessive lace in places that shouldn't be. Yeah, pretty simple. And I have a little piece here I'm trying to get off that's annoying, but it looks pretty good. And the look is finished, you all. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please go shop at ATOZ Wig on Amazon.com. Thank you.